If you have ever wished you could open your Gmail just like any regular app without launching your browser every time, this is exactly what you need. In today's short and very helpful tutorial, I am going to show you how to download and install Gmail as an app on your Windows PC or laptop. So take your time, relax, and follow along as I show you step by step. Let's begin by opening our web browser. I recommend using Google Chrome for this. And make sure you are running the latest updates so that everything in your end looks just like mine. Once Chrome is open, head straight to the Gmail website by opening a new tab and type mail.google.com. Next is to make sure you have already signed in. As you can see here, I'm already logged in on my side. Now look towards the top right corner of your Google Chrome. You should see a vertical dot, that is your main menu. Click on it, give it a moment, and scroll down slowly until you see this section right here that says Cast, Save and Share. Then click on it and a new side menu will appear. The next thing to do is to look for Install Page as an app. As soon as you click it, Google Chrome will show a pop-up like this, asking you if you want to install this page as an app. Then you go ahead and click on it. Now this new window is going to show. You can as well rename it to whatever helps you recognize it quickly. As for me, I will leave mine as Gmail. Now hit on install, and just like that, congratulations, as you now have the Gmail app installed directly on your Windows computer. No browser required. It can launch in its own clean Windows, just like any other application. Let's close everything for a moment and take a look at the shortcuts. On the desktop, you will see a brand new Gmail icon waiting for you. We can right click it and pin it to the taskbar. As you can see here, it's neatly pinned and ready to open at any time. And there is it, a clean Gmail experience running outside the browser, easy to access and super convenient. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on TurkeyHub. If you find it helpful, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more simple tech guides, Windows tips, and productivity tricks. See you all in the next video.